If you are really into the crypto industry, then you've probably heard the term decentralized finance, or DeFi, and decentralized applications, or DApps too. Consumers and billionaire investors alike are taking notice of this flourishing area of the crypto market, which is quickly becoming a standard component of any cryptocurrency portfolio. It sounds fascinating, and it really is. So in today's video, we're going to go over what's next for DApps, and give 5 examples of DeFi projects, which we feel have the brightest potential. So stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss out. Welcome to Capital Alpha, bringing you your weekly dose of crypto news and education. On our channel, we get to the nuts and bolts of complex topics, using animations and examples, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss an upload. So without any further delay, let's learn exactly what DApps are and what their future could be. Decentralized apps, or DApps, are similar to regular apps, but the main distinction is that they use smart contracts, which run on a decentralized peer-to-peer blockchain network, such as Ethereum. DApps cannot be governed by a single person or entity because they are decentralized. They typically have the characteristics of being open source and self-contained. Additionally, they make their data and records available to the public and use a cryptographic token to keep their network safe. Some DApps may only use some or a combination of the previously mentioned features, even though many in the blockchain and cryptocurrency community believe that DApps should have all of these features. This is because the industry has evolved past the Wild West of previous years. Let's now discuss the advantages of DApps. So DApps have a lot of exciting features, such as censorship resistance and the lack of a single point of failure, because it's hard for governments or powerful people to take control of a decentralized network. The peer-to-peer decentralized nature of the network ensures that the DApps continue to function, even when specific nodes or sections of the network are down, so there is never any downtime. Additionally, all of them are built using smart contracts on a blockchain, making it simple to incorporate cryptocurrencies into the fundamental design of a platform. They are also open source, which promotes the growth of the DApp ecosystem and gives developers the ability to create better DApps with more interesting or useful features, or submit improvement proposals to existing DApps, which can be voted on and reviewed by the community. DApp development is still very much in its infancy. However, there are already tens of thousands of DApps that provide a wide range of services, including trading NFTs, investing in DeFi, and even playing video games. Interestingly, there are almost 2.4 million daily active users of DApps by the end of Q1 in 2022, and there is still much growth on the horizon. Just imagine if all those users could smash the like button on this video. Scalability, security, and user experience are just a few of the issues developers must address before their DApps become widely adopted. But as soon as they do, the era of decentralized applications will have begun. We hope you guys are now clear about DApps, so now let's go over 5 examples of some up-and-coming DeFi projects, which we believe may have a high potential. Just remember that this is not financial advice. To start from the bottom, the 5th project on our list is Keep. Keep is an incentivized network for storing and encrypting private data on the public blockchain. The network is made up of off-chain containers for private data, known as keeps, while the Keep work token enables it to be completely permissionless. We are very bullish on Keep, because Keep combines the functionality of a public blockchain with off-chain private containers where data can be stored in a private way. With Keep, developers can finally build fully decentralized apps with an element of privacy for the users. Along with that, TBTC, a Bitcoin bridge on Ethereum, is one of the first applications built on top of the Keep network. It is an open-source project supported by groups including Keep, Suma, and the Cross-Chain Group. TBTC is a fully Bitcoin-backed ERC20 token, pegged to the price of Bitcoin. It facilitates Bitcoin holders acting on the Ethereum blockchain, accessing the DeFi ecosystem, and earning with their Bitcoin. And that's not it. Keep is the network's native work token with dividends and a slashing model. It provides the Sybil resistance that allows the Keep network to be censorship resistant and permissionless. Moving on to the 4th project on our list, Step Finance. We will start by saying that Step is the poster boy of Solana. That already pretty much sums up the potential in Step Finance, but let's get deeper into Step. Basically, Step Finance is a portfolio visualization tool that aggregates all LPs, tokens, farms, and positions linked with the user's wallet and shows them in an easy-to-use dashboard with a variety of relevant metrics and visualizations. Step aspires to be the page that DeFi users keep open all day, with all of the features and data they require to make smart decisions, and also to flex their portfolio to others. Users will be able to interact directly with their favorite protocols, such as farming, pools, swaps, and automated strategies, directly within the Step dashboard. And what makes us bullish for Step is Solana. The dream team behind Solana is the same team behind Step, so the more the Solana progresses, the more the Step will fly. Moving on, the third project here on our list is Polkastarter. The Polkastarter project is a blockchain platform designed to provide an easy-to-use crowdfunding platform to be used as a launchpad for cross-chain token pools and auctions. It is most commonly used by early-stage blockchain projects that want to raise capital and easily distribute their tokens at the same time, so you can already guess the utility of this coin. And we all know utility is one of the main driving factors behind the price of a token. And the best part of this coin is that through Polkastarter, blockchain projects can easily create their own cross-chain swap pools, which allow them to securely raise funds, while users can invest without risks, since swaps are automatically executed by smart contracts. Pols is the naive token on the Polkastarter platform and plays several roles in its ecosystem, being used for liquidity mining, governance, paying transaction fees, and gaining eligibility to participate in Pols holder-only pools. So now let's reveal the second project on our list, which is none other than Alpha. The best and most bullish point of Alpha is that Alpha Finance Lab is a cross-chain DeFi platform that looks to bring Alpha to users across a variety of different blockchains, including Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and Ethereum. The Alpha platform aims to produce an ecosystem of DeFi products that address unmet needs in the industry, while remaining simple to use and access. The very first product built by Alpha Finance Lab is Alpha Lending, a decentralized lending protocol with algorithmically adjusted interest rates. Leveraged yield farming platform Alpha Homora was the second product launched by the platform. You can also stake Alpha to earn a profit, along with using it for liquidity mining and governance voting. Moreover, once Alpha X is launched, it will become the first Uniswap and SushiSwap style decentralized exchange without order books, allowing more individuals to access the benefits of perpetual swaps, such as trading on leverage, without having to understand how things work under the hood. And now is the time to reveal the potential future king of DeFi projects, sitting at the top of our list, GRT, or the Graph. We are very bullish on GRT, because the Graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum and IPFS, powering many applications in both DeFi and the broader Web3 ecosystem. Anyone can build and publish open APIs, called subgraphs, that applications can query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. There is a hosted service in production that makes it easy for developers to get started building on the Graph, and the decentralized network will be launching later this year. The Graph currently supports indexing data from Ethereum, IPFS, Near Protocol, and POA, with more networks coming soon. GRT has almost doubled in price in the last 2 months, and we think there is still so much more potential, as we're seeing a lot of partnerships from GRT with other high potential and successful projects. Not very long ago, the Graph announced its expansion to Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems with Moon River support, and have also begun a beta integration with Near Protocol. And guess what? GRT has also announced its long-awaited integration with the Solana ecosystem too, and there's a lot more to come in the next few weeks, months, and years. So that's the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about DApps or any of these projects, then please mention that below in the comments section, and also let us know of any future topics you want us to cover on the channel. Now, if you found the content helpful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye!